Hi guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon sites, which helps you to choose the right products easily. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell. So let's get started. Number 1. Sprite LED Red Blue Windshield Dash Emergency Strobe Lights W Suction Cups for Police Law Enforcement POV Vehicles Trucks Rear Deck Hazard Warning Flashing Traffic Light. Features: our Undercover Series windshield strobe light comes equipped with 16 high-intensity LEDs, will ensure your vehicle can't be missed day or night, bright enough to be seen up to 1/4 mile in distance. Over 50,000 hours lifespan while consuming less power than standard bulbs. Number 2. gdfh T189 Mini Camera HD 1080p Small Hidden Camera Recorder Security Monitor Portable Small Conference Camera. The microphone hole should be placed in the front where the clip is for clearer sound. If it is in a shirt pocket, any sound it picks up will be somewhat muffled, as it would most likely be up against at least the shirt material if not also against the wearer's body, plus the wearer will have to be still so as to lessen any scuffling sounds against the cloth of the shirt. Number 3. Mini Spy Hidden Camera IPS 1080p Portable Small HD Nanny Cam with Night Vision and Motion Detective Perfect Indoor Covert Security Camera for Home and Office. Super Mini Body Camera. The hidden video recorder is the world's smallest portable pocket body camera, which makes it perfect as a home security camera or a housekeeper nanny cam for recording both snapshot picture and videos without attracting any attention. Number 4. Upgraded USB Killer version 3.0 U-Disc Killer Miniature High Voltage Pulse Generator. Please do not use it for illegal activities. DIY products. If have problems, please contact us. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Number 5. Hasbell Listening Device Bird Observing Listening Recording Device Scientific Nature Explorer Bionic Ear Electronic Digital Device Sound Amplifier Micro SD Card Slot. The listening device is a tool, can say a toy for people at all ages who likes to explore the nature and wildlife. It's a great gift toy for the kids. The Monocular feature allows you to observe birds up to 100 feet away, and the sound amplifier feature is a great value to collect the sounds far away. You can also record the sound by pressing the record button. Please make sure you use this device in a spacious and quiet place. Number 6. Maker Focus Wi-Fi Test Tool Wi-Fi Durther Watch V3 ESP8266 Programmable Development Board Built-in 800 mAh battery with OLED display, laser, wristband and 3D printing case for Arduino Node MCU. Product operation link, available in the product guide and documentation. IT is an ESP8266 development board, but you can wear it like a smartwatch, more convenient. Number 7. Mini Wireless Action Dice Camera Full HD cameras with motion detection and night vision, monitoring and cam recorder for home and office, nanny cam, Camara's Paracasis. Your children, your home, your business, all precious things. And all precious things must be protected. Safety, whether in your home or business, always starts with knowledge. Locks can be picked. Safes can be cracked. Guards can make mistakes. No protection plan is ever completely foolproof. But with the proper monitoring plan, you will always have the truth. Number 8. Shineweb Creative Outdoor Samurai Katana Handle Long Straight Windproof Rain Sun Umbrella Black 16K. Number 9. Boblove 32GB night vision monocular, infrared night vision camcorder, digital 5x8 optic scope night vision, 200 yards full dark, infrared monoculars with 32GB card and battery for hunting observe. 200 yards night vision distance in complete dark. The night vision scope coupled with infrared illuminator allows up to 150 yards viewing distance in the fully dark, offers clear black and white image. In moonlight night, it shows a lot of detail from 250 feet away.
Number 10.
Synkwire cell phone ring holder stand, 360-degree rotation finger ring kickstand with polished metal phone grip for magnetic car mount, compatible with iPhone, Samsung, LG, Pixel, smartphone accessories.
High-quality phone ring holder, features ultra-slim design.
Made of high-quality zinc alloy and metal plate, Synkwire phone ring holder boasts unrivaled durability to stay intact even in dropping accidents. Vacuum ion plating technology makes the phone holder surface 5 times more resistant to color fading than traditional water electroplating ones. The edges of the ring grip are carefully polished for your fingers.
Number 11.
Iloan Blast screen protector compatible for iPhone 11 XR, 6.1-inch 3-pack tempered glass. Online video installation instruction can be found at the last image slot. Easiest installation, removing dust and aligning it properly before actual installation. No worrying about bubbles, enjoy your screen as if it wasn't there. Specialty, due to the rounded design of the iPhone 11 XR and to enhance compatibility with most cases, the tempered glass does not cover the entire screen.
HD Ultra Clear 99.99% touchscreen accurate. Number 12. Sony WF1000XM4 industry-leading noise-canceling truly wireless earbud headphones with Alexa built-in, black.
Crystal clear call quality, beam-forming microphone and a bone conduction sensor provide clear voice detection even in noisy environments. Speak-to-chat technology automatically reduces volume during conversations. Note, if you face issue in Bluetooth connectivity, please turn off the Bluetooth function for a couple of minutes, then turn it back on. 8 hours long battery with noise-canceling IPX4 water resistance. Multi-point connection lets you connect 2 devices at once.
Number 13.
Wireless charger 3-in-1, magnetic foldable wireless charging station for iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max X, XS Max 8, 8 Plus, AirPods 3, 2 Pro, iWatch Series 7, 6, 5 as a 4, 3, 2. 3-in-1 wireless charging. The 3-in-1 wireless charger station can charge for phone, Apple Watch and AirPods. It's suitable for Apple AirPods 2, 3, AirPods Pro, Pro 2, and Apple Watch Series 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 as support for hybrid charging between Apple and Android.
Number 14.
Universal Remote Smartphone IR Controller Adapter USB-C Infrared Blaster Control for Android phone. All-in-one controller, air conditioner, TV, DVD, Roku, Vizio, Samsung TV, and more. This smart IR remote controller has stable and reliable IR signal, pairing to your household appliance easily.
Steady transmission distance as long as 10 m.
Why compatible? With this device and smartphone app, your phone will become a powerful remote control. Great choice for Samsung, Vizio, LG, Sony, Sharp, Roku, Apple TV and more.
Number 15.
TG 90-degree cell phone external battery packs 10,000 mAh power bank with built-in lightning cable, portable charger, battery backup compatible with iPhone, Android phone power packs. Portable charger with built-in cables, multifunctional power bank with built-in lightning cable, USB-C, and micro USB cable. The portable battery charger built-in 3 cords supports charge almost all your smart devices. Do not need to carry any extra charging